Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about why should business use Telegram? Let's get started. Telegram is a cloud-based messaging app that businesses can use to communicate with their team via chat messages, voice chats, video calls, and it's a faster way to communicate with their customers. Millions of users are already using the platform monthly, and that is a huge target market for your business. Telegram is free. Businesses can send messages to their customers without spending a dollar. You can provide customer support with your new or regular customers who need help regarding your products or services. Next, promote your business. You can create a channel to post announcements for your subscribers. You can inform your subscribers about special promotions, upcoming events, and holiday discounts. You can entice your audiences to purchase products from your business. Next, ask feedback from your customers. You can create a private group for your customers or clients. You can ask for your customers' feedback from their purchases, such as photos or videos, using their products. You can use the photo or video and share it as content on your social media accounts. It's available on multiple platforms. Telegram is accessible on both mobile and desktop devices so that Apple, Android, and desktop users can use Telegram. Your Telegram account can be logged in on multiple devices even at the same time without being logged out from one device. This allows your business to respond to messages and access your account using your mobile device for easier access. Next, group your target users. You can easily segment your chats to organize your users who are sending messages on your business account on Telegram. This can be helpful if you're interacting with tons of users who are interested in your business products or services. Next, increase engagement with your audience. You can create polls that allow users to engage and choose the options that they prefer. It is useful for conducting surveys that you can use for your upcoming promotions, and this can be created anonymously. Next, share any type of files. You can attach files inside chats such as images, videos, and any document file that you want to share with anyone on Telegram. You can share larger files. You can share large files on Telegram, especially videos. Each file that you will send has a limit of up to 2 gigabytes. Next, protect your conversations. You can secure your conversations with clients or customers where you talk about sensitive topics. This gives protection against screenshots of the conversation, and it can be deleted automatically depending on the time that you have set. Telegram can help your business promote your products or services and communicate with your customers fast. Businesses can create a group or one-to-one communication with customers, and businesses can easily reach out to their customers by creating a group or one-to-one chats with their customers. If you need to turn cold leads into loyal customers, we have a marketing app that can help you get more customers with cold email marketing. Pursue app is the most powerful cold email platform than any other alternative. You can run perfectly designed killer cold email campaigns that turn leads into buyers fast. You can create personalized cold email campaigns, create custom email journeys for your customers, create powerful event and trigger system, and watch how your leads react to your email. Set and forget your profit cold email campaigns with Pursue app. Step 1. Create your campaign in Pursue app. Step 2. Switch on the campaign and let the mails go out. Step 3. Watch the cold leads warm up and embrace your business. So try Pursue app now. Go to getpursueapp.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.